VP Sara's impeachment odds just got even slimmer. With the newly formed Senate lineup, Vice President Sara Duterte looks even harder to take down. She already has 7 solid anti-impeachment votes locked in. And while we're playing it safe by calling 8 senators as swing votes, insiders know that at least 3 of them are highly likely to side with Vice President Sara when the time comes. We're just being conservative with the numbers. Meanwhile, the pro-impeachment camp led by Marcos remains 7 votes short of the 16 needed to convict. But as always, this is politics. Loyalty is fluid and backroom deals happen every day. Today, Vice President Sara holds the advantage. Tomorrow, it's still anyone's game. Stand your ground, stay vigilant, defend Vice President Sara Duterte.